Oh, I saw your question here. Let me read it. Use the empirical rule, which is what I have here. The mean speed of a sample of vehicles along a stretch of road is 71 miles per hour. So I've recorded that. A standard deviation is 4 miles per hour from the sample. Estimate the percentage of vehicles, which, let's see, going between 63. So we want to estimate vehicles going between 63 and 79 miles per hour. Well, if one standard deviation is 4 miles per hour, two standard deviations would be 8 miles per hour. And if you take 71, if you add and you subtract 8 from that, if you subtract 8 from 71, you'll get to 63. If you add 8 to 71, you get to 79. So, 63 is two standard deviations below the mean, and 79 is two standard deviations above the mean. The mean's given us 71, standard deviation is 4, two standard deviations is 8. So if you go 8 to two standard deviations below it, you'll get 63. You go two standard deviations above it, you'll get 79. And within two standard deviations, you find 95% of the vehicles. Within two, this is for 1 and this is for 3. We're doing two standard deviations. And, of course, that's what you gave here. Hope that helps.